the Google Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro are expected to be introduced during the first week of October, and more specifically 6th of October. Now, we've already seen the official renders of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro thanks to Google's event, and we have hands-on videos of the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro. Now, this is no surprise that Google phones are having hands-on videos before their launch, but hey, here's the thing. Unbox Therapy was able to get its hands on a pair of Pixel 7 and 7 Pro prototypes. Now, these two are coming in the black color, so these are not this most beautiful white color or silver color, whatever they're gonna call it. But anyway, we can see a tons of things with it. So first and foremost thing, we can see the whole design. The design from the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro hasn't really changed much. The camera bump is actually connected to the metal frame this time, and it looks really premium. It seems like a much refined design over the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. If those two were good looking, then these are better looking. Now, just like the past year, the Pro variant of the flagship will also come with a periscope camera, and the standard model will not get one. And similar to the Pixel 6 Pro, the Pixel 7 Pro will come with 12GB of RAM, while the non-Pro variant, the standard model, will come with only 8GB of RAM. Now, if you look at the whole phones though, there are a few changes here and there. It's not exactly the same dimensions. The Pixel 7 Pro will actually have smaller punch hole compared to the Pixel 7, and it will also have much thinner bezels, almost same as the Pixel 6 Pro. The Pixel 7 though will have thinner bezels than the Pixel 6, which is pretty much good, but the screen is actually going down in size. Now, if you want some numbers, the Pixel 6 is 1.72mm wider than the Pixel 7. The Pixel 7 Pro is actually 0.2mm thinner than the Pixel 6 Pro, but with the camera bump, it's almost the same, 11.5mm. The both Pro models are actually almost the same. The Pixel 7 is actually quite shorter, so this time Google is trying to just make the two phones different from each other, like by reducing the screen size as well as the phone's footprint, so that's good. Here are the things. We still don't know about the battery capacities on all these phones, but it could be like you can't really expect a much bigger battery than the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, but almost the same is what you can expect. The fingerprint sensor will definitely have to be replaced, and Google should use something like Qualcomm's 3D Sonic fingerprint scanners because those are much better. Samsung is using them. The face unlock feature is actually going to come in the Pixel 7 series. The screen resolutions are also going to be the same. The Pixel 7 Pro will have the 1440p display and 1080p display on the Pixel 7, just like the 6 and 6 Pro. But the Pro model is expected to allow users to save the battery life by reducing the resolution to 1080p. So you have that option to do that, as well as you will have the 1 to 120Hz adaptive high refresh rate displays on both of the phones. So that's actually good. Why would you upgrade to the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro if you have a 6 and 6 Pro? Well, Google could offer you a good trade-in offer just like Samsung does. Maybe that's how they will be able to convince you to upgrade. But another way they can do it is to give you another great flagship in the form of a Pixel 7 Ultra. Well, if you want to know about the Pixel 7 Ultra, then you definitely need to check out my recent video on that. Anyway, the Pixel 7 event is still gonna be exciting, and there are gonna be tons of products gonna announce. Google might just even surprise us with the Pixel 7 Ultra or even the Pixel Notepad. Hey, that's gonna be cool. And we still have to wait for more leaks to come in. You can subscribe this channel for that. And just before the outro, if you want to check out some of the coolest wallpapers on the market, then definitely click the link in the description below, or just simply visit my website joindavid.com, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news and stuffs that matter. So definitely visit my website. Until the next one, bye and take care.